Hello, welcome to Legal Awareness web series. Number of CLAT aspirants have written to me that I should give my blessings and make one final video before they go for exam. I also thought it proper and appropriate to once again reiterate the instructions. Last year, the main problem which number of candidates faced was they marked certain questions as marked for review, and it was very clearly written in the instructions. If your question is marked for review, it will not be considered. Read at least 5 times instructions before you go for CLAT. First, the latest update from the Supreme Court. A petition was filed in the highest court of the land asking for the postponement of CLAT. The central argument was that many people are below 18 and vaccination is not yet available for them. In our notification, we had merely advised that you should get yourself vaccinated. We had never made it mandatory. So vaccination is not mandatory. Even if you are not vaccinated, you are free to write CLAT. We are also not seeking RT-PCR negative report to take CLAT. But you should not ideally be COVID positive. Because if you are COVID positive, then you have to put yourself in self-isolation and quarantine, and you are not supposed to come out of your houses. There was a huge demand for postponement. I responded to many people and I said, as president, I have no power to postpone CLAT on my own. I also tried to explain to you in my last video that it is better to hold it now. Just few days back, ICMR has said that the third wave will come in August. The vice chancellors, who are the members of the general body of consortium of national law universities, are your well-wishers. We want to help you. We want to protect you. Postponing CLAT by 2 weeks or 3 weeks will take us to August, when there is a likelihood of the third wave. My blessings are with each one of you. All the very best. As someone who has given many exams, I would say don't spend too much of time on any question. Earlier, CLAT had 200 questions. In 2019, we got it reduced for 2020 to 150. Still, you have less than a minute to answer a question. Read fast. First, try to answer all the questions about which you are 100% sure. Don't take many chances, as there is a negative marking of 0.25 for your wrong answers. Many people have asked me about the watch and the clock and how will we see the time. All of us have been giving exams. You have been giving exams. Everyone in the school may not have a watch, but in every examination, there is a system of bell, there is a system of announcement. On a continuous basis, your invigilators tell you that now you have this much of time and now you have this much of time. So let me once again, for your benefit, revisit the instructions. Many of you don't read instructions carefully. I would urge you, before you go to CLAT center, read them 4-5 times. So your exam is on 23rd July 2021. Supreme Court today has dismissed the petition which sought postponement of CLAT. So the CLAT will now definitely be held on 23rd July 2021 between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. I would request you that you should be at your center ideally by 1 o'clock. Nobody would be permitted to enter the center after 2:15. Let me say it again. You should be ideally at the center at 1 o'clock. And if you reach center after 2:15 p.m., you will be denied an entry and no excuses will be entertained. There will be several bells for you. In any case, we have already permitted you to bring analog watches. At 1:30, there will be long bell. This would indicate that now you can get inside the center or the examination hall. So 1 o'clock reach center, 1:30 you would be allowed entry inside the examination hall. 1:50 there will be a short bell and there will be a distribution of transparent sealed envelopes containing question booklets and OMR response sheets. 1:50. 2 o'clock there would be a long bell. Now you can open the sealed envelope. Your exam starts now. 2:15, as I said, there will be another short bell, which will mean nobody would be permitted to enter anymore. 3 o'clock there will be a short bell, which will mean that 1 hour of your exam is gone. You need to speed up, hurry up. 3:50 there will be another short bell, warning bell. You have just 10 minutes. 4 p.m. another long bell, which means exam is over. You cannot write anything on your OMR response sheet or question booklet after this bell. How should you encircle OMR response sheet? Black or blue ball pen, not pencil. You have to encircle OMR sheet either in black or blue ball pen. Therefore, you should come to the exam center with blue and black pen. You should bring your admit card. And the most important, please bring government issued photo identity card. Do not bring your school identity card. Government issued identity card, which will be the proof of your identity. A photo identity proof issued by the government. Bring a transparent water bottle, sanitizer, face shield, hand gloves. Now remember, you will not be allowed to carry cell phones or any other electronic gadget. Don't bring any cell phone. Since if you bring cell phone, you have to deposit it with the exam staff and they will not be responsible for any loss. You need to put your signature and fill all the details such as admit card number, question paper booklet number on the front page of OMR. You would be given this booklet at 1:50. You have 10 minutes now. Write on the OMR sheet admit card number, question booklet number, front page number after you open it at 2 o'clock when your exam starts. You should also remember that you must check all pages in your question booklet before you start doing your exam. If some page is missing, if the question booklet is damaged, some printing is blurred, you should immediately inform the invigilator and get a new question booklet and OMR response sheet. You must answer your questions not in the question booklet. No tick mark in question booklet. All responses must be entered only in the OMR response sheet. You will have a carbonized copy of your OMR sheet. In the interest of transparency and to help you, you can take back not only your used question booklet with you, but also the carbonized copy of your OMR response sheet. Last year, many people raised this question. Oh, we ticked C, but it is showing B. So now there is a proof. You will have a carbonized copy with you. You will have a question booklet with you. You should also remember that you must handle OMR sheet carefully. Don't fold it, wrinkle it, or tear it because it is to be scanned. If you do any of these things, in scanning it will create problem and it will get rejected. When you are encircling your answer, do it completely. Don't tick in circle or make a cross in the circle. With your blue or black bell point, completely encircle the option you have selected. Don't encircle two options for one question. If you encircle only half, or if you tick it in the circle, it will not be considered as valid answer. At 4 p.m. when your exam ends, you must hand over the OMR sheet to the invigilator. Do not leave the examination center till the invigilator has counted all the OMR sheets. During the examination, you are not supposed to seek any clarification from anybody. If you indulge in copying, in trying to take any assistance, you would be immediately disqualified. It is an examination malpractice. For your rough work, there will be pages at the end of your question booklet. You can do your rough work there. And once again, I would emphasize there is a negative marking of 0.25 for each wrong answer. Follow COVID protocols. If your temperature is more than 99.14, you will be taken to a separate room and your examination will be conducted in that room. I would request you to wear mask and if possible even the face shield. Take all precautions while reaching the center or while writing the exam. My best wishes are with you. Keep sanitizing yourself, but remember, don't spill your sanitizer on the OMR response sheet or question booklet, as it may blur the printing on it. So handle OMR sheet extremely carefully. Your exam is just few hours away. National law universities are awaiting you. Concentrate on your studies. You can do it. I am sure that many of you who have been working very hard will soon find a university of their dreams. You would be studying law, and as I keep saying again and again, this is the best time to study law. If you like Legal Awareness web series, kindly subscribe to our channel and do click bell icon as well, so that when we make a new video, you immediately receive an information about this video. Thank you very much. God bless you.